All right, guys, I had a very, very interesting question from a subscriber. He says, I program a remote, the gate stays open, and the remote isn't closing the gate. Now, this happens and we're gonna recreate that. If your auto close is off, and then you go to program remotes. Now, when you go up to the remote controls, you press add a remote. You can't really see the screen. It says select function trigger gate. Now that is just a trigger. It sends a pulse. It tells the gate to do the next action. So it's open, you press pulse, close. Halfway closing, press pulse, it's going to stop. Press pulse, open. Then you got pedestrian where it's just going to open a bit. Then you got open gate FRX. Now FRX trigger is the type of trigger that remains on. It's like for a ground loop. So when you got a car on, it's not a pulse, it's a constant signal going through saying open the gate. So we're going to say open the gate, accept. Time bar remote, no, because that's just for time settings and that. Accept, and we're going to press the button, and it's taken it. And now our auto close is off, and we press the button, and the gate opens, obviously, because it's open FRX. Now there's no auto close. Auto close in this instance will close it, but the auto close is off. So no matter what we do, this gate, we can press that thing. You see it says FRX trigger, not TRG. It's saying FRX when I press it. So what do? We're now stuck. You go back to your remote controls and you go delete remote. Go. Not by ID, you go down to by button, and then you press the button to be deleted. Now the remote is deleted. Go back to add remote, go, and you said open gate, trigger gate, not open gate FRX, trigger gate. Accept, time bar remote, no, accept, and we press the remote button. Now it has accepted that. So when I exit it and then I press the button, now the gate wants to close. But note the lights. Now, when I press that, the trigger light comes on. And that's what a trigger is doing. An FRX is like you would add your FRX, your ground loop's going to go in here. Your trigger goes in here. So we are just telling the gate it is just a plain trigger. And that is the route you need to take if you have programmed your remote, and because it stays on open gate FRX. If you don't change it, it will stay there as default. So keep it on trigger gate, reprogram the remote, and it's job done. So if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe and do all the good things. And thanks for watching.